Welcome back everyone to TMP Finance. We make long and short-term investing simple. I'm going to make this one very short here just because I am on a crunch for time. But what we are going to go over here is our index analysis, stock analysis. I'm also going to be talking about some news and how you can place some trades in the upcoming future as well. So without further ado, let's take a look at the Fear and Greed Index. And we're currently sitting in fear. So as you see that we're out of extreme fear and we're sitting at 37 here. A lot more money is coming back into the markets now, as we can see in this bull move. Mixed day today. We haven't seen a mixed day in a little while. It's been very volatile, so you either get these very obvious green days or these very obvious red days. But considering that it was an in-between day and some stocks are down, like some of the high market cap stocks are down 1 to 2% or even more, we still held relatively strong. And I do expect to see some red days in the future here, just because this has been, again, such a rampant bull move. If you take a look at the measurement tool here, you can see that we've moved up to a maximum of almost 10% within just a few days there. So that's not too concerning for me. Now, when it comes to long trades, I'm not looking for a long trade right now, just because, well, if I'm already in one. If you haven't placed a trade yet, you're waiting for the market to pull back to a previous level of support, and that's when you're looking for a long-term trade there. But this is the bullish scenario here. So the bullish scenario, if you were part of the Discord, you would have seen that you would have got an entry right around here. And we're currently going long, currently strong at about 4% for this trade before 9 times leverage, so we're doing really well here. But this is the bull move here. We got that breakout there. At a minimum, you are looking for a take profit of up here at this 20,000 level. Now, I do believe that we will probably meet this all-time high, maybe not make a new all-time high, but meet this all-time high before we make a new lower low. So that is my thoughts on that. It's definitely possible with the 3-month gap that we have for the tariff pause, we can try to reach back up there, and maybe from there we do a double top and we start heading down lower. That's a possibility, but that is what I'm thinking there. So your stop loss can be set right below this breakout here, and then you can take a long position over there. If we are looking to move short into the market, you are looking for a move and a breakdown of this level here, anywhere from 18,500 to 18,200, and you want to see some pretty obvious candles indicating that there is a very obvious break there. So that is what you are looking for the NASDAQ over here. Let's take a look at AMD over here, and we did get a breakout a couple days ago. AMD has fallen so much, it's ridiculous. Not even just all-time high, but just from its previous move up over here. You can see that AMD is currently down almost 60% there. So right now, very simple long position here. I'm going long at the breakout. My take profit will probably be somewhere around this other resistance over here, this other falling resistance, and my stop loss is going to be very simple, under the breakout there. So that is what I'm looking out for. Take a look at Apple over here, and the other day, Friday, we did get Thursday, we did get a breakout of this significant 208 support and resistance level, and we also are looking to get a breakout of this falling resistance over here for Apple as well. So you can keep an eye out for that on Apple. Right now is a great time to go long as well, because Apple is down almost 25% from its all-time high as well. Take a look at Google over here, and this is one stock that I'm looking, if I had to bet all my money on one stock, not that you should, this is not financial advice, but I would take a look at Google. The PE ratio is extremely low, considering how much involvement Google has in today's society and how much technology they're coming up when it comes to AI. They got the Gemini going on, their phone sales are pretty solid, and they just beat earnings like crazy. I mean, take a look at the surprise over here, 40%, nearly 40%. In the earnings. So you know what, that's looking pretty good to me, pretty promising. So that is something that I am looking to hold for the long term here as well. Let's take a look at Microsoft, and on Friday we did get a break of Microsoft. Now this is one stock too that I am really liking the looks of. PE ratio is extremely low, and we've been chopping around in this kind of range here for the past of 2024, and we were down at prices that we were at in 2023 not too long ago, just a couple weeks ago. So I like to see Microsoft make some new all-time highs, and it's 21% to the all-time high from here. So that is something I'm looking out for on Microsoft here. So very simple again, you are looking for that next support and resistance line for take profit, and then you're looking for a break of the breakout for your stop loss there. Take a look at NVIDIA over here, and you know what? The chart for NVIDIA is not very clean looking in my opinion. Just everything is very spread out. If you take a look at resistance and support over here, But you know what, I'm gonna follow the overall market sentiment, because when you see all these big cap stocks moving up, it's very unlikely that one of the top 3 market leaders is also going to lack out on that. So I do believe that nvidia could be a nice move to the upside as well. But if you do want more confirmation, you can look for a touch of this rising support line over here, and that's when you can go long to another resistance level. But nvidia is currently down. Well, you can currently make a return of about 42%. Yeah, about 42% there to make the all-time highs. And a lot of people are looking to buy back into these semiconductors, because even with tariffs, even with Trump being president, whatever, you're still going to need microchips. If you are looking to become a better trader, come take a look at the link in the description, wap.com/tnpfinance, and from there you'll be able to access our Discord link to our exclusive community, and you'll be able to get trade alerts for every single trade that I take, including take profits, stop losses, and also risk allocation. You'll also be able to get monthly stock picks for each month. You'll also be able to get free one-on-one trading sessions and ask me any questions you have, and so much more. So if you are interested in that service, come take a look at the link in the description, because we're currently beating the market by let's see here, S&P is down 6%, currently beating it by 35% before our 9 times leverage, and 29% year to date. That's what we're currently up in the Discord. So come take a look if that sounds like something you're interested in. But anyways, that is a wrap for today's video, so I will see y'all tomorrow. Best of luck and stay safe. Later, y'all. Peace.